sometimes happen in Windows. How we can diagnose? We have in Windows Event Viewer program, so we can navigate to user. Here is administrative. We can see our errors, when it happened, some description, data, time, etc. Here is problem with connection, which I have recently, and the main problem is that I lost Wi-Fi card, LAN card. So what we can do with it? So of course we options which we need to how we can investigate this case. We probably need to download some software to monitor our laptop to see what happened. I suppose that it may occur because of update of Windows, but it can be possibly of temperature my hardware. So I download you can download hwinfo. Here is portable version, which you don't need to install. This is installer for Windows, and this is portable version for DOS. Alternatively, you can download openhardwaremonitor. This is, I suppose, portable version. Let's try to run it. Yes. Lock it. Okay. So our antivirus doesn't like it. Let's download. I have 60-bit, non-commercial, sensor only start. So new version, no, I don't need to update. I need to see only sensors, and we can see here is percentage of CPU load. Here is information about memory used and allocated, but most important for us is to see temperature. So we can see that is temperature of our CPU, maximum, average, and here is L3 cache temperature. What we interested also, here is speed of the RAM, and. So, and here is graphical processor temperature. So reset mix, timer, login start. So we can use login start and run name test, and we can try to perform operation which cause our error. For example, this is maybe intensive network load, like downloading torrent or playing computer games. So I pause for now and try to use. So I tested. For now it's not broken. So I have tried to load network, and here is my log. This no, this PC documents. Okay, this PC documents, and here it is. Let's open and see what inside. It digitally log time and or processors and ratio and percent and yes, capture. So we can make it. So a lot of details, and we can monitor. It show my system. Here it is, memory and authors. Let's try to find this megabyte. Okay, we need to find probably where voltage, I suppose, megahertz. This is loading, but where is temperature? Usage. Percent. Here it is. Here is temperature, and we can see our temperature, graphical core. So we can monitor. Maybe somewhere it's more than expected, than allowed. Here is second application, which I download. Here is openhardwaremonitor. Here is also my memory, CPU, and here is load, but we interested in temperature. Here it is, GPU temperature, and so it's all. Temperature unit. We can select Celsius or Fahrenheit. So I see that we have less information here in this application. Other type is to use for Asus laptops. We can use this application. This is Armory Great application, which also have temperature, and we can monitor here. We can also I suppose record general update center. About here is we can diagnose our application or laptop, especially if you on guarantee on service. If your laptop still on service, you can record log, agree, and spending some time check your problem. Then we can generate log data. And yes, we have log file in documents. It will be saved in documents. Okay, we save. Yes, now we can stop or login or continue. If you don't, if you achieve your goals, you can stop record. If not, you can press no and continue till happen at your case when your hardware is broken. So for now I stop recording. Okay, and we can find that log. Here it is in documents by default. Let's try to open it. So we can see that it is decrypted. You can't open it. This log file can be opened by service, Asus service, for example. So this is case when you have warranty service. So let's continue. Because I have problem with my MediaTek, I don't see actually very big temperature, but I will open it my laptop and clean it later. For now we can try to delete some updates. How we can do it? We need to navigate to settings, updates, here we see that some updates I already deleted, but I continue delete some updates and try to fix problem. So how we can, here we have button to on or off automatical updates. So I turn off it. Here is pause updates, change active hours when you can. We can see update history. Let's see it. So we can see which updates we installed. So also we have advanced options here. And we can have notification, updates, products, restarts, and etc. So let's see history, and we can see here we update history. We can uninstall updates and install updates, which navigate us to control panel, updates installed, and we can see most recent updates and deleted. So we can see security update. This is the last one, and we can uninstall it. Then we can return to install it. Here it is, and let's here is security. We can press button uninstall, and it start installing this update. And security update might occur problem because it can affect somehow our laptop. So for now it's deleted, and we can restart and try to how it help us. Then if it didn't help, we can uninstall next previous update. For example, this is probably more than a month ago, and it can be true, can be our problem, but you need to monitor your status and when your problem appears. So it can be not immediately, but probably in month before you have this problem first time, probably month before you can delete that update to try. Other thing I would like to point out that sometimes if your laptop older than 2 years, you might need to change to make clean our laptop. You can use send it to service center or do it by yourself. And for thermal compound, I can advise this thermal compound Arctic MX4. I use it for my old laptop probably 3 years ago, and it still works. You can see that it has good feedback, and it probably cost probably in dollars. This will be $5 probably max as most. Next I will check several days if it didn't help, yeah, I clean laptop. So for now I have deleted some updates, last 3, and updates, our system require updates, and it tries to install it. So for to prevent this action, we need to disable updates. For this purpose, we can navigate to updates, view updates history, and we can see most recent. In advanced options, we can disable for some period. Here is option to pause till, but it's not very comfortable because you need to check always this and pause. To stop update in Windows 10, we need to run systems services as administrator. Then we need to find Windows Update service, open properties, and here in general tab, open properties, in general tab we need to disabled option, apply it. And also in recovery tab we need to, on first failure, select take no action and apply and OK these settings. So next step is to make some changes in edit, in dialog, in registry. So we need to run or gpedit. So here local computer policy, computer configuration, then select administrative and Windows component, where we can configure updates. Here is Windows component, and here inside we can see Windows update. Here we can configure auto updates. We need to find this. And edit and disabled automatic updates. Apply and OK. So for now we turned off our automatic updates. This solve a problem with automatic updates, with downloading updates, and next I would like to show you, in case you have a high temperature, how to clean your laptop. This is not my case. My laptop probably less than 2 years old, and it probably clean because I clean every week table. So see next.